Hello guys, how are you? Today we're going to check another topic from vocabulary called volcanoes. So please try to elect the meaning of each word by checking the pictures. Now repeat with me. Active. A-C-T-I-V-E. Active. Branch passageway. B-R-A-N-C-H Passageway. Branch passageway. Central passageway. Central Passageway. Central passageway. Chamber. 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 Cone shaped. Cone-shaped. Cone shaped. Cool. 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 Dormant. 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 Erupt. 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 Extinct. 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 Flow. 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 Lava. 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 Layers. 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 Liquid rock. Liquid. Liquid rock. Magma. 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 Red hot. Redhot. Red hot. Surface. 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 Solidify. 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 Volcanic ash. Volcanic. Volcanic ash. Now guys, let's practice. Answer with your finger. You have to circle one of those, which is an active volcano. The first one or the second one? Great, that is an active volcano. Then we have cool. Which of these represents a cool one? Great, that is correct. So let's pass to the next one. Which of these is lava? What do you think is lava? Great, that is lava. Now we have dormant. Which of these represent a dormant volcano? The first one or the second one? Great, there is a dormant volcano. And the last one, what do you think it is? Volcanic ash. The first one or the second one? Great, that is correct. Great job, guys. So please remember that if you have any questions, you can ask me. Please repeat the video as many times as necessary for better practice. Thank you, guys, and see you tomorrow.